I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. You focus on the build, we'll focus on the books.
Watch this video as we show you how to delete a fixed asset. In Xero, you can delete both draft and registered fixed assets. In the fixed asset register, choose the draft asset you want to delete. In this example, we'll choose backdrop. Next, click Delete. Then click Delete to confirm. The draft asset will then be permanently removed from the asset registry. To delete a registered asset, click into the Registered tab and find the asset you want to delete. We'll choose Office Chair for our example. Once in the asset, click on the Overflow menu and then select Delete. If the asset was created from another transaction, deleting the asset won't affect the original transaction. Click Delete to confirm.